Your ID is ready when you are. Everything that has to do with driving modes and the parking brake is controlled via the driving mode selector. Before you move off, press the brake pedal and select a driving mode. Select D or B to drive forward. D stands for drive. In this mode, your ID makes use of its momentum and recovers energy when you press the brake pedal. B stands for brake. This driving mode increases energy recovery as you drive, braking your ID as soon as you take your foot off the accelerator. This is particularly useful if you accelerate or brake frequently, for example, in city traffic. To reverse, select R. Press the parking button to activate the parking brake. You are now ready to move off with your ID.
Volkswagen.